Welcome. If you want to check battery temperature in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and get Ampere application. It's from the Braintrap developer and that's how the icon looks. Right now just be patient and wait a little bit. Let's open. Click yes, agree, accept all permissions. Click OK, slide on the right side and the temperature of your battery you will find in this place, and you can find here also the other data. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.